Welcome back, everyone. It is finally Friday afternoon. Of course, July 4th is in a couple of days. Let's take a look at the maps, and so far it has been mostly quiet on the radar. We've seen just a few showers offshore. Now, most people will see dry weather for today, but we are going to leave in just a 10% chance of a shower for this afternoon. Take a look at the temperatures. The heat is really on, especially out west. 98 degrees for you folks in Edinburgh, 96 in Rio Grande City, 94 here in Westlaco and Harlingen, 90 in Brownsville and Raymondville. And boy, it was a very muggy start to the day today with temperatures in the 80s. You needed that hairspray for this morning. That humidity will continue for this afternoon along with the breezy weather. Right now we've got winds from the south between 14 to 18 miles an hour with a gust of 29 in Port Isabel and 28 in Brownsville. So your day planner forecast, we are seeing some clouds out there right now. I think we'll still see mostly sunny skies later on this afternoon, but it is a hot one. 97 degrees at 3 p.m., 93 at 6 p.m., 84 degrees at 9 o'clock this evening. And when you factor that humidity into the air temperature for this afternoon, it will feel like 105 to 109. So if you're outside today, of course, please do take it easy and stay hydrated. If you're heading to the beach this weekend, even for today, the high temperatures will be in the upper 80s all 3 days with mostly sunny skies. Just a 10% chance of a shower today and tomorrow. The rip current risk will be elevated all 3 days, so please swim near lifeguard. And the UV index is extreme, so use plenty of sunscreen. Here's the forecast. You missed it earlier for 4th of July, Tuesday. During the day, should be dry, mostly sunny with highs in the upper 90s, and we should also expect a dry weather for Tuesday night with partly cloudy skies, just warm and humid with low temperatures in the upper 70s. So here's a surface map. The winds continue from the south and southeast, pumping that humidity into the valley. Otherwise, a rather quiet weather pattern for most of Texas. Not the case for our friends in Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana. They've been seeing some very nasty thunderstorms earlier this morning, moving toward the southeast into Louisiana and Mississippi. And take a look at the temperatures right now. 94 degrees in Midland, 89 in Del Rio, 95 in El Paso. Out east right now, 90 in Houston, 89 in San Antonio, and 90 degrees in Dallas-Fort Worth. Here is Future Track. It's going to be mainly dry for today, but two areas of high pressure aloft, two big areas of high pressure will merge, creating one huge ridge of high pressure. This is basically a very stable air mass in place, so that's going to keep the rain chances close to zero for most of the weekend. At most, maybe 10% tomorrow, but after that, zero for Sunday and then for Tuesday. In any case, it stays hot with high temperatures in the upper 90s. We will see triple digits for McAllen in the upper valley, just dry and hot for really the next couple of days. If you're lucky, you may see an isolated shower, but that is about it, as high pressure will be the dominating factor here for the region and for the valley into next week. On the water, small craft advisory is in effect for the Bay and Gulf waters until 7 o'clock this evening. We'll have winds from the southeast at 15 to 20 knots. The Bay waters are choppy. Your next tide is a low tide at 4:31 this afternoon, and the seas are 3 to 8 feet. Forecast for today, mostly sunny skies, maybe an isolated shower, but only about a 10% chance for that. We'll have a high temperature of 97. Again, we're looking at high temperatures in the triple digits for McAllen in the upper valley. We'll have winds out of the south at 15 to 25 miles an hour. If you're going out for tonight, it's going to be warm and muggy, just a few clouds with a low temperature of only 79 degrees. So here's that 7-day forecast. The high temperatures continue in the upper 90s for this weekend, mostly sunny, hot and humid. We'll call it mainly dry on Monday, just a 10% chance of a shower. For July 4th, Tuesday, mostly sunny, should be dry with highs in the upper 90s, mainly dry on Wednesday, and we may have a little better chance for a spotty shower for next Thursday with high temperatures in the mid 90s. That's your first Warren 5 forecast. Back to you, Alan.